not only the Honit. Our products are exported to many countries and have won many honors. At the industry exhibition, we made a stunning appearance with core blower models, such as magnetic levitation and multi-stage centrifugal. With the product advantages of energy saving, high efficiency, stability, and durability, we attracted many customers to stop for consultation and in-depth negotiation. Every group photo is the best affirmation of our products and services. If you are interested in it, welcome to contact us.